The pass. Oh, yes. It's a foul. Who's so red? Never. Condell.
Yeah.
So foul personal. Nudul. Second drive.
Sakay sampang.
So proud. 1 out of 2. Score. 30 minutes. Kusana against Battles. 14 seconds in left. Kusana to the right. Kusana. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, may tawag doon. Who's for it? Battles.
Hype na hype si Rep.
Act of shooting foul. 3 minutes and 43 seconds. 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Raka, pumukol sa press. In and out. Dito ako may Kabila. Kabila na naman na rin. Kabila. Hinahakil rin. Jefferson. Kabila. Paso-paso. Paso. Dumisikate. Paso kundita. Kundita kayo. Kundita. Lalaman ng kampi. Paso-paso. Paso. 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 Sa Velasco. 20 seconds to shoot. Velasco. Paso. In and out. Raquel, the floor is in the back. So Raquel dumidiskarte, basta kumya. Kumya na yun. Tagal ng play. Pinamatayang oras, 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Pass to Cruzada, 10 seconds to shoot. May tawag din doon.
Mr. Cabrera, foul, reaching foul.
Warning for penalty. Both team is warning for penalty. Anderson in back. Velasco.
Good.
Kundita! Using the ball, you score to the 2 points.
Okay, kaya. Gaganti kaya ang puti.
2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Sa 2 minuto at 43 segundo.
Second team.
Time out.
2 minutes and 4
2
quarters.
minutes.
Remaining time. 2 minutes
39
39 seconds.
Ang score na White is 55, 41 naman ang green team.
10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anderson in right. Bitanya, para Enrique. Enrique, Cristiano. Enrique,
Pero, shout out sa ating mga mabibilis na referee kung tumakbo. Ay, talaga. Ay, man! Shout out kayo! Yun, si Mike Enriquez. Malnores siya. Gamitin mo yung kaliwa ko yan, Nico.
Inbound by Raquel to Colombia. Getting the time. Getting the time now. Pastoriano. Back to Raquel. 15 seconds shot now. Colombia. Getting the time. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Big man ang gumalaw.
3, 2, 1.
Sumabit sa sanga.
Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation.
Shot lock pa yun. Nasa ring na yung bola.
Lumanin nga rin. Lumanin. Lumanin. Hindi ba man yun? 1 minute and 15 seconds. Britannia. Back to
14 yan lamang.
Diano. Di ba? Diano. Ano na pa eh? Anderson, back. Never back. Getting the time. Jefferson, back to Liano. 14 seconds in clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7. Shot clock resumed. Rebound by number 14. Pass to Velasco. Enriquez. Pass to Dulay. Dulay. Shot the comeback. Rebound by Liano. Jefferson. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Remaining time 1 minute and 3 seconds. 14 seconds.
Magpapatay na lang ng oras. Oh, ayos. Magkakampi pa rin sila.
Pinalipin sa kalaban. 54 seconds. Taas na Jefferson. 14 seconds and left. Out of bounds. 46 seconds.
Ay, double.
Double drill.
Naghahabol na nga. Nababiolation pa. Turnover pa.
35, 30, 20. Getting the time up, getting the time.
13 points lang mga idol.
14 seconds left.
Pinipress na lang ang oras mga
10
idol.
seconds to shoot. 9, 8,
Yun, dumagdag pa si Sada ng puntos mga idol.
and Reyes, man of my life!
Wow, pinilipit ng pinilipit ni Mike Enriquez.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Nice.
2, 1. Yeah!
Nice play mga idol. Lahat okay naman at
Nice
safe ang
game,
lahat.
mga Panoy. Ganda laro, ganda laro. Ganda laro.
Ayun. Yan ang mga sports ng mga player after ng laro. Magkamayan. Panalo matalo.